Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Math is Easy, step by step. Thank you for joining me for this rendition of Math is Easy. I'd like to go over another high set test question, GED type of test question that you have here. And I want to say it, and I think I show it in my documentation here. For this particular problem, there is a method that you can use other than factorization, right? You can find the answer A, B, C, D, or E, and it's kind of like using a cheat or a cheat sheet in order to find that answer. I like to go over it a little later on. You can eliminate some of the values in order to increase the odds of guessing A, B, C, D, and E answer. You can eliminate some of those options. So you increase the odds, even if you're just going to guess correctly. So let's just jump right on into it. Which factorization can be used to reveal the zeros of the function? F of x is a function, and again, f of x can mean y, right? Y and f of x is the exact same thing as far as I'm concerned. You can substitute a y for f of x, and that is what makes this a function f of x. You could graph this equation. So 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. Which one? A, B, C, or D, or E gives you the correct factorization of this equation in order to find the zeros of this function. Now check out that last video. I got kind of a cheat strategy you don't want to miss. Again, that last, oh, we got a little shaking going on here. Pardon my shaking. I need to get a new camera. And so check out that very last video I'm going to show in the sequence, and it shows you after we go over the techniques for FOIL, because you're going to FOIL A, B, C, D, and E if you have to, in order to find the correct answer, A, B, C, D, and E. And then if you understand the FOIL, you can use one quick technique, kind of like a cheat, in order to find the correct answer fairly quickly. Again, these assessments are timed. You need to finish the assessment within a certain amount of time, and your goal, the learning objective, of course, would be in studying, trying to finish the practice exams within a certain amount of time, getting the most possible correct answers. So I'm going to get into that in the last video. In this first video, I'm just going to kind of go over what it is we need to do to find the correct answer, A, B, C, and D. So anytime you're asked to find zeros of a function, you must factor the equation or the expression. Okay, it's going to always, I think almost always, be in an equation, unless the question's asked in a different way. So again, check out my videos on finding zeros. I've created a bunch of test questions for finding zeros. I've also created a bunch of videos on how to factor the equation. So check out my videos on my account, and that will help you in understanding what you need to do in order to factor. And so what we're going to do is we're going to complete a task. It's called FOIL. We're going to use what's called the FOIL technique, right? And so factoring this particular equation can be very tricky, and it can be complicated. And so when you're given the options of A, B, C, D, and E, you can use this technique. We're going to use FOIL to figure out which option A, B, C, D, or E is correct. And after I go over the very last video in a cheat, I'm going to try to show you how to quickly find the correct answer given this type of test question. Um, and so in video parts 2 and 3, I go over in detail, very slowly, how you will complete the foil technique. Okay. And again, the last video probably is going to be part 4. I'm going to go over how you can find a cheat in order to find the correct answer, or at the very least, eliminate some of the possible answers, A, B, C, D, and E. So if you had to, you could guess, and the odds would be increased. You would guess correctly. So that, again, that's a test-taking strategy. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. If you find these videos helpful, please like and follow and share these videos with others. Help others understand some of these test questions if you find them helpful. Some of my test taking strategies and other things, skill videos that I have. Go ahead and share my account with others. And of course, your donations, your stars, your gifts will be most definitely appreciated. Hey, if you have any particular type of problems that you want to see, go ahead and DM me with those problems. I'll try to create a personalized instructional video for you that will help you in understanding, hey, math is easy. Take it step by step. I like to try to do some live videos. I'm still trying to figure out a way to use my document camera so you would see live videos like this, but right now I'm using a camera and it's just not quite the same. So I'm trying to get that all figured out. Thank you for joining me. Stay tuned for the next 3 videos. Math is easy. Take it step by step.